Hi, welcome to the Latisan channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise, and its name is Control Road Guide. Well, this is the dimension for this part. Then, let's make a modeling part now. From the Solidworks interface, we can make this model from front plan and make it a normal too. Then from the sketch, click the circle and set for diameter to 2.2 and 6 millimeter. Make the smaller one. Click a smart dimension. Set the value to 1.625 millimeter. Then click feeder, then extrude was. From direction 1 box, change to midpoint and set the value 2.5 millimeter. Then click OK. Well, for the next step, click to the top plane and click a reference geometry. Select plane. Then set a value to 3 millimeter. Then change the direction by click flip offset. Then OK. For the next step, from this plane, right click and click sketch. Then right click and make it a normal too. Click to the circle and I want to make a circle and set the diameter value to 1.5 millimeter. Then change the distance from this point and it is 4 millimeter. Click the circle and make a diameter value to 1.03 and 1 for drill. Then click OK. For the next step, click to this toggle and select midpoint line. And then I want to make a line and it is 5 millimeter from this point. Right click and click select. Then change the length to 5 millimeter. Then click to this line and click on midpoint line and start from this point, right click and click select, then change to 0.5 millimeter. For the next step, click on mirror entities, then mirror about, select to this toggle, select midpoint line and click to this line to entities, and then let's make or connect this line to this circle. Right click and select, press and hold the control button, then click to this entities and make it tangen. Then I want to delete the unnecessary line. Make sure trim to close is selected. Then click mirror entities. Select this line, mirror about, front plane, then OK. Click line, then connect. Right click and click select. And I want to delete this line. Click this line and then right click. Click delete, then yes. Let's hide this line. Click. Hide. Press combination Ctrl 7 at the keyboard to make asymmetric view. Well, let's give the extrude boss set a value to 0.5 millimeter, and it is to give this thickness. Then change the row, then click to this sketch, then click OK. For the next step, click to this toggle and then from the sketch give the extrude boss. And then set the value to 0.25 millimeter and then go to this sketch, then OK. Well, for the next step, click to this toggle and then to sketch, give the extrude boss, set a value to 3 millimeter and then click to this sketch and change direction, then click OK. Well, for the next step, let's give a fillet from this edge by click a fillet and set a value to 0.676 millimeter, and then click to the edge. Next, click apply. For the next step, let's give these sides to this body by click this front plane. I'm sorry. For the first one, click to this right plane, click sketch, press normal to, then I want to click this line, just make the vertical, and I want to make it for construction. Because there isn't the information that this distance from this line to this side, and I want to make it 0.5 millimeter. And I want to delete this unnecessary line. Then let's give a mirror to copy these entities. Mirror from this line, and I want to select this line. Click OK. For the next step, give the thickness and this thickness is 0.5 millimeter. And change direction 1 to mid plane. You will see the preview will like this, and click OK. I'm sorry. Right click. There's something wrong in .5 millimeter. Well, for the next step, and I want to make these strips from front plane and make it a normal to. For the next step, right click and click sketch. Then click to this line, start from this point, right click and click select, click to this line and click to this one to make it tangen. Then click trim entities, make sure term to close is selected. Before that, let's convert this line and click a trim to delete this unnecessary line. Then click to this line and I want to make from this sides, right click and click select, press and hold the control, then click to these entities, make it tangen, then click trim entities and delete smart dimension, and I want to change the distance from this point to this sides. It is 1.76 millimeter. Then click OK. For the next step, let's convert entities from this line. Press and hold the control button. Click convert entities, then click trim entities and remove for this. There is the unconnect line. Click to the sides and make it convert. So let's see, and then delete this unnecessary line. So you will see the preview like this. Click OK. Give the thickness by click extrude boss and make it 0.5 millimeter. Then change direction 1 to midpoint. Then OK. For the next step, let's remove this unnecessary part by from this toggle, click to the sketch, right click, right click and make it so. Then click to the sketch and click extrude cut. Change direction to midplane, then click extrude cut. Okay, this part will clean from this the other segment, and then let's make a jogging lah. Nggak jelas. Ayo. Serius ya?
Ayo bukan dulu sih.
This circle make it 0.781 millimeter. Then sets the distance from these sides to 1.76 millimeter. From these sides and make it 1.25 millimeter. Then let's mirror these entities. Mirror about, click to this toggle and select front plane. From this dialog box, click to these entities and OK. For the next step, click on feathers and then I want to click extrude cut. Click OK. Set a value to cut this body. And I want to hide this sketch. Well, the part is done, but if you want to finish by edit reference, click this icon. For the example, and I want to choose this color.